My name is Landon Porter, and I am the owner and lead developer of Honeycomb Custom Database Solutions, a FileMaker Pro consulting, training, and development company located in the beautiful city of Kansas City, Missouri. And today I wanted to give a little bit more information in terms of dynamic portal sorting, which was a tutorial we covered earlier. I wanted to look further in depth at the effects of dynamic portal sorting and what that looks like in the database. This tutorial presupposes that you understand the concepts behind dynamic portal sorting, and it picks up where we left off with the first tutorial on dynamic portal sorting. So jumping right into the end of that tutorial, we have these columns set up in this team roster portal to sort ascending and descending based upon the column header. When we click, for example, first name, we can sort ascending and descending by last name. If I click first name, it sorts ascending and descending by first name, by number, and by position. What I wanted to do in this tutorial is look at the fields that are involved in this sort and in this relationship a little bit more, just for your information. So what I want to do first is go ahead and extend this portal a little bit wider so that we can add some fields to look at. So the first ones that I want to add will be the sort order and the sort field. Now, because these fields are global, it doesn't matter that I'm pulling them out of the portal itself, because it's the same record on every single record, or the same value on every single record rather. So let's do sort field and sort order. Alright, within the portal itself, what I want to do is go ahead and add the sort ascending number. Let's go ahead and make that yellow. Sort ascending text. Sort descending number. And sort descending text. Let's make our portal a little bit wider. And there we have it. So what we can see here is our sort field and our sort order. So when I click last name, our sort field is set to the script parameter that is on the button on that category. So if I go back into layout mode, if I double click on that header, I can see that I'm running the script with the script parameter name underscore last. When I run the script to sort by a given column header, what I'm essentially doing is taking that script parameter and plopping it in the sort field. So you can see the examples of first name, number, position, and last name. Okay, with regard to the sort order, if the sort field is the same as the sort field that I click here, then that's going to essentially change the number here from either from a 0 to a 1 or from a 1 to a 0. You can see last name goes from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. If this field is different from the script parameter of the column header that I click, then it's going to set that field there and set the sort order to 0. And then it will toggle back and forth every time I click it. Furthermore, you can see that my two sort ascending fields by number and by text populate when the ascending 0 order is in the field, and my descending fields populate when my sort order is 1. And so essentially that's what's happening in my sort relationship, and I'll let you look at that a little bit more in detail on your own example. Once again, this was just a follow-up to the dynamic portal sorting tutorial, and I'm Landon Porter with Honeycomb Custom Database Solutions. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them or email me at landon@honeycombdb.com. That's LANDON at HONEYCOMBDB.com.